Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Reggie from Citywide Wraps. Just finished putting decals on two box trucks and a van. This is box truck number 1, government contractor CSI. So you can see how that turned out pretty nice. And here's another van that they have. They wanted to stick logos on the door, so you can see that. See the CSI of the van. CSI letters on that side, on this side. Okay, see that. And this is box truck number 2. And CSI logo on this box truck, and out in the parking lot is the box truck that we wrapped this summer. So we did a full wrap on the back of that one, so you see how that turned out. So if you need decal work, full wrap, partial wrap, give us a holler at citywidepromotions.com, 301-218-8337.